Welcome. In front of me is a SOUNDCORE Boom 3i, and I'll be going over unboxing along with just a look at the speaker. So before I actually open it up, let's quickly just take a look at what they're advertising. So we have a floatable, 16 hours of playtime, resistance to seawater corrosion. That's actually pretty nice. Most things that have like IP68 resistance or things like that, they're just like water resistant, but their warranty covers pure water. So for instance, like your bathtub, and not really, for instance, seawater, which for instance has salt. So anything like salt or chlorine would obviously disqualify this, but here we have resistant to seawater corrosion, though it doesn't really mention, like I said, things like, for instance, chlor. Detachable strap, 50 watt output, IP68, and base up 2.0, not just a little jargon for marketing. So popping it open. So here we have the speaker, and in here we get our strap and anything else. Oh, and the cable, Type C to Type C. Now, taking this out, never mind, I can't like just slide it out. Oh no, my OCD, I can't pull it out. No, don't do this to me. I need to get it out. Like, well, I need to rip it. That's unfortunate. Never like to do that. So here we have it in this very ostentatious color. I guess it's going to be easy to locate if it's floating away in the sea. Now taking a look at the I/O, we have our power button, Bluetooth pairing, volume down, play pause, volume up, lighting for the RGB, I presume, bass up, and I have no clue what this is actually. Now when it comes down to the straps, you loop those somehow, though not really sure how. And these little things are for obviously the strap. At the bottom we have rubber feet, and then on the sides we have our little passive, what is it, passive radiators, I think that's how you call them. And the speakers themselves are right here, so I can see two of them, one bigger one. I think, yeah, on the camera I can kind of see through it. So it looks like there's a tweeter, and this would be a woofer. So in any case, at the back we have our charging port, so it's a Type C, obviously, considering the cable is a Type C to Type C, and that's about it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.